Hello everybody! My name is Nikki.
And I'm Goli.
And I'm Julian, and today we are at Berlin's spiciest street food, curry and chili. And we're gonna eat some currywurst.
It's supposed to be the spiciest food in Berlin, but we don't know. We are here to test it out.
Yeah, smashed.
Okay, Julian, explain first what is currywurst.
Well, as a German, of course, I have eaten currywurst so far, which is normally pork sausage with a tomato sauce and a lot of curry powder.
Basically, it's just wurst with a lot of sauce.
Yes.
Okay.
And pommes.
And
fries.
pommes.
But in this restaurant, they also have the vegan version.
Today we're gonna try different level of hot sauces, starting from 11,000 Scoville. Scoville is the method of measuring how spicy is something. So level 1 is 11,000, and we're gonna go up to hopefully level
Not 10 for
But
sure.
maybe level 6, I don't know.
maybe level
6,
6,
7,
which
let's
is-
maybe.
Which is
see.
400,000
I'm a bit
Scoville.
nervous and
Yes.
scared.
Level 10 is 7,7,777,177. Yes?
7,777,777. Should
Okay.
we say this in German?
777,777.
Oh my god.
But there was a 7 million at the beginning. No?
7,777,777.
Oh
Yeah.
my god. Okay, let's go order. Would you eat this hot spicy food for 10 euro? Julian is ordering our food. The guy suggested if you are filming, it's better to order 3, 5 and 7. Ta-da! We have level 3, 5 and 7. Starting from number 3. But as this is hot, we also brought something to keep us cool.
Not something, but so many things.
So many things, like this baguette, iron,
Like
or we call it dough,
milk cacao.
milk
and
cacao,
milk.
bread,
Again, cacao with
more
milk,
milk cacao.
With protein. Also,
have
yogurt.
I have 2 iron.
2 irons.
No.
We start with number 3. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is nothing.
This is nothing, basically.
Yeah.
This is my father's breakfast, I can say.
Oh, really?
But it's spicy. It's really
But it-
hot.
But it tastes really good.
It's sweet and hot.
It's fine.
It's fine. I can eat more of this.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, me too. Is this vegan?
That's the vegan one.
Okay, to give you more details, the sauce number 3 contains 70,000 Scoville, which was cool, not too hot.
Yeah.
Okay, number 3 wasn't that hot. I think we all ate spicier food.
Yeah.
Totally.
Let's go to number 5, which is a jump. So we basically jumped number 4.
250,000 Scoville.
250.
Let's do this.
Which one do
I'm a bit scared.
With a lot of sauce, please?
With
No,
a
I
lot of
can.
sauce. Nothing yet.
Nothing spicy at all. I'll eat more.
It's hot. I feel something in my throat, but it's tolerable.
It's fine. Like, I can eat.
Guys, the sauce is the... Oh. The thing
sauce.
under.
The
Okay, I'm
sauce.
starting to feeling
Yeah,
it.
let's try.
I can feel something in my gums.
I can feel something in my nose.
Well, for me, it's kind of normal. I don't know.
I don't dare to try another one.
Really?
This
Are you
one?
on your limits?
No.
I think
But
today
I
we're
will
gonna
go
go
for the
to
next
level
one.
10, right?
Yeah, I think so too.
Ah, by the way, there is a funny thing about this place. Can you explain the award thing?
Yeah, basically, you can earn a spot on this wall, but then you have to eat all of the 10 levels under the eyes of the owner of the shop.
Wow.
Yeah,
But
let's
you
see.
can do it in different days, right?
You can do it within 6 months.
Really?
You can always come back and try the next. Okay, guys, I want to try the 7 because I'm not impressed
Okay.
at all. Right?
Yes, let's go for the 7 one.
So it sure has
I picked from the
sauce.
middle because it has more sauce. Let's
yeah,
go.
we are not cheating.
Take. Oh, maybe we should neutralize our mouth.
Yeah.
Okay.
let's do it.
Protein shake.
Okay, let's go for level 7.
And try.
1, 2, and
3.
Okay. I'm starting to feeling it.
It's coming slowly.
That
but very
was-
slow.
Oh my god. That was so hot for me.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Like, I don't feel anything. Let's try more.
Really?
I cannot talk very easy.
Oh, really? I'm not impressed at all.
Man, this was so hot for me.
Really?
Yes, my nose is running. I have tears in my eyes. You didn't feel
I don't
it?
feel anything. I need more. I don't know.
No, that was okay for me, but I don't go for more. I thought it would be harder than this,
Yes, me
but I
too.
can do it. Good.
I want to go to level 10. This is ridiculous. This is just, for me, this is normal spice. This is normal spicy level. If I want to go spicy, this is like the normal spicy.
I can go for another one to make sure that I really had
I will
the
try your bread.
sauce.
Yeah, try. I need more sauce.
I did it.
Like here. Okay.
Yeah, it's hot. When the food is so hot, I cannot feel the taste anymore.
I need a tissue.
I don't dare to go for 8, 9, 10.
Really? I think it could be very challenging if you eat one whole.
Yes,
Then
that's
it could be
also
challenging.
true. Because we are trying just a bit. So I think we go for level 8.
Level 9.
nine.
Level
8, 9, 10 maybe?
So we got the level 8 with pork and level 9 vegan again. Haben Sie diese Soße ausprobiert?
Ich habe alle mal ausprobiert, ja.
Alle.
Alle.
Welche mögen Sie am besten?
Geschmacklich die 6.
6. Which we didn't order.
Ja.
Die ist bei der neuen mit dabei, ist eine Carolina Reaper. 2,3 Millionen Scoville.
2,3 Millionen Scoville.
Oh, tsaka sauce.
Let's go.
Let's go. He said this one, only this one is 2 million and
3. Yeah, it's 2.3.
3.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my
2.3.
god. So we continue with level 9.
8.
This is 8 and this is 9.
We got an 8 and 9. Let's
Okay.
see.
So it's 1 million Scoville.
1 million Scoville. Oh my god.
Here we go.
And go.
I can. Ooh.
I can too, but afterwards you feel it.
I think it's coming.
When you are eating something spicy in the cold weather, it makes it easier for you to tolerate it.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, I can feel this. But I can tolerate it
I can
still.
also tolerate it.
I also feel it. Do you feel it?
Yeah, I feel it, but it's okay. Because I only had one piece. But if I had to eat the whole sausage, I
Never.
would go at my limits, yeah.
You know when we feel this? Tomorrow when we are in the toilet.
Oh no. Oh
You taste it
no.
twice.
I cannot
My
feel my gum. My gums and my...
My tongue.
Tongue.
I cannot feel my tongue. My mouth should have a rest for a while.
So, apparently for number 9, first we should eat this, right? First or... Oh my god.
But I high five my bravery for
Oh.
trying this. I never thought I could try it.
Oh. آب دماغ ما جاری شد به قولی. We didn't talk about the chant with Julian. Julian, it says, Hier dürfen Männer noch weinen.
Which means at this place, men are still allowed to cry.
I don't know what to do. I'm just doing this.
You're heated up, you know.
Okay, the funny thing is, on number 9, it says shortly before death. And on number 8, it says ass explosion. Let's go for the next one.
Okay, let's go. See you on the other side, guys.
It's good the ambulance is here. Okay, this was too hot for me. Is it good for the heart?
Of course. You know, the heart needs warmth. It's good for the heart, you know.
Man, that was too hot.
But I don't think it's good for your stomach.
Oh.
I don't feel anything. What about you? Okay.
How did you?
What is wrong with you?
Really?
I'm the German guy. Like I don't feel anything. Like how can it be? I have to eat more.
Maybe you didn't eat the sauce.
Yeah, I need more sauce.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I cannot talk.
The more I do this, the more spice I feel.
I'm crying.
Look, she's crying. Oh. Oh man. I cannot feel my tongue. Oh.
I have headache.
Okay. No, it's coming
Yeah.
to my head, like to my eyes, and
I don't know what to do. It was too hot for me, really.
Too hot to handle.
It's good that I didn't try the pepper.
but I like it because it's like
Yeah, just
really?
now my mouth started to.
Yeah.
But I like it. I have this buzzy feeling too, but I like it.
Okay, to be honest, I'm not gonna continue eating number 9. It's all yours. What I do is I go Persian style and I eat the potato with the bread.
Oh really? That's how you do it? With mayo?
That's how
No.
I do it, and we call this a loghme.
Eloghme.
A loghme. Eat the pepper, eat the pepper.
Okay.
For the sake of YouTube.
Really?
Oh.
Perfect. But the deal with the pepper, it comes like suddenly at once.
Yes.
With the sauce it comes really slowly, but with the pepper it's like
I'm literally crying.
That's insanely hot.
Number 9 was insanely hot. I don't know what is number 10, and I think I don't want to know. Do you still want to try number 10?
no. I think 7 and 8 was okay, but 9 and this chili,
Okay, your nose is red, your eyes are
especially
red.
this chili.
Yeah.
Should we go for number 10?
No,
No, you.
because we cannot even finish this.
We are done. And one funny thing that this place has, and I will show you, is they have curry and chili roulette table. And on the table you can spin a bottle like this. You should be careful that you close the bottle. But when you spin the bottle, then you can randomly choose which one to eat.
Level 10.
What nice level 10. So I think we leave you guys with this. Thanks for watching this video. We forgot to tell you, we already made a music video with Julian in Berlin 2 years ago. This is the link. Check that out. Last word.
Keep the fire alive.
Yeah.
Keep the fire
And
alive.
keep salsa dancing. Hope you have enjoyed the video.
Bye.
Ciao.
Bye.
Now we're gonna ask random people if they will eat this spicy food for 10 euros. Would you eat this hot spicy food for 10 euro?
Yeah.
Okay.
With a lot of salt.
Okay, go. Okay, he's eating it. Is it spicy? Yeah. Now this. This guy is killing it.
This is level 9.
This is level 9. He's eating and he's not feeling. Is it? Thank you. Bye. Oh my god. The guy just ate the thing, got the 10 euro and no reaction.
Yeah, you was poker face, so
We-
steady face.
We paid 10 euro for some reaction, but it was none. Zero reaction.
Ja, smashed.